Hello everyone. Today, I am honored to share our work on self-correctable and adaptable inference for generalizable human pose estimation. To begin with, this presentation will highlight the notable contributions presented in this paper. First, we demonstrate that it is theoretically possible to learn a feedback correction network to refine the prediction results of a well-trained network. Second, we have introduced a correction network which is able to correct the prediction error for the test sample guided by the self-referential feedback error. We found that this self-referential error is highly correlated with the actual network prediction error. Third, using the self-referential error, we introduced a new loss function to perform quick adaptation and optimization of the correction network during the inference stage. At last, we apply the proposed self-correctable and adaptable inference method to human pose estimation and have achieved remarkable performance gain. Human pose estimation aims to correctly detect and localize key points, i.e., human body joints or parts. Nevertheless, this prediction task poses several challenges that need to be addressed. First, how can we tell if the prediction is accurate or not during testing and how to characterize the prediction error? Second, how to correct the prediction error based on the specific characteristics of the test sample. The main idea of our article includes: first, we propose the construction of a novel feedback fitness network, FFN, that possesses the capability to assess the accuracy of predictions without prior knowledge of the ground truth. Second, by leveraging the FFN, we extract self-referential errors that exhibit a strong correlation with actual errors. These errors serve as valuable indicators for training a prediction correction network, enabling dynamic adjustment of predictions during inference. Furthermore, we utilize the self-referential errors in conjunction with the FFN to construct a self-supervised loss function, which facilitates rapid adaptation and optimization of network models during inference, particularly on test samples. We partitioned the body key points into 6 structural groups according to their biological parts, and each structural group is further partitioned into 2 subsets, distal key points and proximal key points. Also, we developed a prediction FFN network that effectively extracts self-referential errors and facilitates learning of a correction network under the guidance of these errors. During the inference phase, the self-referential error is leveraged to dynamically update the correction network by incorporating information from new samples. We compare the performance of our SCAI method with the following state-of-the-art methods on the COCO test set: the CFN, CPN, CSM plus SCARB, CSANet, HRNet, MSPN, POSFIX, DARC, UDP, GraphPCNN, and SCIO methods. We can see that our SCAI method outperforms the current state-of-the-art methods by large margins, up to 1.4%. We presents the results of our SCAI method compared to other state-of-the-art methods on the challenging crowd pose dataset. The methods compared include MaskRCNN, Simple Baseline, AlphaPose, OCCNet, JCSPP, HireHRNet, MIPNet, and SCIO. Our SCAI method achieves an improvement in average precision by up to 0.9% compared to the current best method SCIO. This indicates that our method can provide more accurate pose estimation for multi-person scenes with challenging occlusion scenarios. We also provides a comparison of our SCAI method with other state-of-the-art methods that use different baseline networks such as our 152, HR32, and HR48 networks. Our SCAI method consistently outperforms other methods, even when different baseline networks are employed. Compared to the local search proposed in SCIO, our method converges much faster and is able to stably correct the heat map to be more accurate during the optimization process. We also visualize the refinement of predicted key points. The pose estimation results from the baseline method are displayed in the top row. In the bottom row, we show the refined key point estimations produced by our SCAI method. As can be observed, our method successfully corrects the key points circled in red, such as the left knee of the person in the third column. This indicates the effectiveness of our approach in refining pose estimation results. Besides, we show 2 examples where the self-referential error can be used as a feedback reference to guide the correction network to pull the prediction result toward the point with the minimum self-referential error. More importantly, this point is often very close to the ground truth since the self-referential feedback error is highly correlated with the key point prediction error. In the left figure, the vertical axis shows the average prediction accuracy of the body key points in each batch of test samples. The horizontal axis shows their average self-referential error. Each dot represents one test batch. We can see that there is a very strong correlation between them. The corresponding correlation coefficient is -0.84. In the right figure. Figure A shows the decreasing self-referential error and the convergence behavior of this model learning and adaptation process. Figure B shows that the accuracy of the test batch is consistently improved with the training epochs. This demonstrates that our self-referential adaptable inference method is able to use the test samples as feedback to update the network models and improve the prediction performance, providing natural and enhanced generalization capability for the learning and prediction network. In conclusion, we demonstrate that it is possible to learn a feedback correction network to refine the prediction results of a well-trained network. We propose SCAI, a learning-based feedback control method for prediction to address the generalization challenge. We apply the SCAI method to human pose estimation and achieve SOTA performance, improves the current best method by up to 1.4%. Thanks for your watching and listening.